बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम कंप्यूटर के फंडामेंटल्स क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात करते हैं। जो पहले नंबर पर है, इन अ डैश कनेक्शन मोर देन टू डिवाइसेस कैन शेयर अ सिंगल लिंक। तो इसमें मल्टी पॉइंट है जो सबसे एक से ज़्यादा, जो मोर देन टू डिवाइसेस के दो से ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करने की सलाहियत रखता है, वो है मल्टी पॉइंट कनेक्शन है। आगे आ जाता है दूसरे नंबर पर, कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन अ कंप्यूटर और कीबोर्ड के दरमियान राब्ते का जरिया कौन बनता है, वो है सिंप्लेक्स, इन्वॉल्व सिंप्लेक्स। आगे जाता है, इन अ नेटवर्क विद 25 कंप्यूटर्स विद टोपोलॉजी वुड रिक्वायर्स द मोस्ट, के आपके पास 25 कंप्यूटरों का एक सेट है, एक नेटवर्क है, तो कौन सी टोपोलॉजी है वो रिक्वायर होगी इनको चलाने के लिए, वो होगा मैश टोपोलॉजी। Which topology requires a central controller or hub? The star topology. Which organization has authority over interstate and international commerce in the communication field? वो है ऑप्शन डी, FCC. The information to be communicated in a data communication system is the option D, message. Frequency of failure and network recovery time after a failure are measures of the reliability of a network. In dash transmission, the channel capacity is shared by both communicating devices at all times. Option A, full duplex transmission. An unauthorized user is a network dash issue, security issue. Which topology requires a multi-point connections? कौन सी टोपोलॉजी को ज्यादा कनेक्शंस चाहिए होते हैं, वो है बस टोपोलॉजी। A television broadcast is an example of simplex. A dash connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. The option B, point to point. A cable break in a डैश टोपोलॉजी स्टॉप्स ऑल ट्रांसमिशंस। बस टोपोलॉजी ब्रेक हो जाए तो सारी जो टोपोलॉजी है वो ट्रांसमिशन रुक जाती है। द डैश लेयर चेंजेस बिट्स इनटू इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सिग्नल्स, फिजिकल लेयर। द फिजिकल लेयर इज कंसर्न विद द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ डैश ओवर द फिजिकल मीडियम। द ऑप्शन सी, बिट्स। मेल सर्विसेज आर अवेलेबल टू नेटवर्क यूजर थ्रू द डैश लेयर, through the application layer. As the data packet moves from the lower to the upper layers, headers are, the option D, headers are subtracted. As the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layers, headers are, the option B, headers are added. The dash layer lies between the network layer and the application layer, the transport layer. Layer 2 lies between the physical layer and the dash layer and the network layer. When data are transmitted from device A to device B, the header from A's layer 4 is read by B's dash transport layer. Which layer functions as a between a user support layers and network support layers? The option B, transport layer. What is the main function of the transport layer? The option A, process to process delivery. Which of the following is an application layer service? The option D, all of these. The internet model consists of 5 layers. The process to process delivery of the entire message is the responsibility of the transport layer. The dash layer is the layer closest to the transmission medium, physical layer. Before data can be transmitted, they must be transformed to, the option A, electromagnetic signals. When one of the components of a signal has a frequency of 0, the average amplitude of the signal is greater than 0. The option B is correct, is greater than 0. A periodic signal can always be decomposed into, the option A, a set of sine waves. A periodic signal completes one cycle in 0.001 second. What is the frequency? The option C, 1 kHz. In a frequency domain plot, the horizontal axis measures the option A, frequency. In a time domain plot, the vertical axis is a measure of the option C, amplitude. If the bandwidth of a signal is 5 kHz and the lowest frequency is 52 kHz, what is the highest frequency? Highest frequency is the option D, 57 kHz. What is the bandwidth of a signal that ranges from 40 kHz to 5 MHz? The option A, 3.996 MHz. As frequency increases, the option A, decreases. When propagation speed is multiplied by propagation time, we get the option C, distance a signal or bit has traveled. Propagation time is directly proportional to the distance and inversely proportional to the propagation speed. The option C is correct. Wavelength is directly proportional to the propagation speed and directly proportional to a period. The option A is correct. Which of the following can be determined from a frequency domain graph of a signal? The option D, bandwidth. Which of the following can be determined from a frequency domain graph of a signal? The option B, bandwidth. In a frequency domain plot, the vertical axis measures the option B, peak amplitude. Given two sine waves A and B, if the frequency of A is twice that of B, then the period of B is twice that of A. The option B is correct, twice. The wavelength of green light in air is less than the wavelength of green light in fiber optic cable. The option B is correct, less than. Using the Shannon formula to calculate the data rate for a given channel, if C is equal to B, then the option A is correct, the signal is equal to the noise. If the maximum amplitude of a sine wave is 2 volt, the minimum amplitude is the option C, minus 2 volt. A signal is measured at two different points. The power is P1 at the first point and P2 at the second point. The dB is 0. This means the option B, P2 equals P1. Dash is a type of transmission impairment in which the signal loses strength due to the resistance of the transmission medium. The option D, attenuation.